So I welcome you from the workshop of the Gostev's dynasty. Today I want to talk to you about hope. The painting Red Road is without a doubt a symbol of hope. Moreover, this painting was recreated by the artist himself. He cherished it deeply. The first version of the Red Road disappeared in Germany. It vanished from a gallery in central Munich in 2010. During the closure of the Gallery K at Max Forum, 12 paintings by my father went missing. My father was a strong man. In the face of loss, he chose his own path. He repainted several works that he held dear. The Red Road among them. This painting speaks of hope, of spring's arrival. A man is pushing away old rubbish in a cart. A woman looks out onto the red road with hope. And that hope promises new beginnings, new accomplishments. It opens a new path. From loneliness and despair, only hope can save us. Perhaps you've heard the old parable. About how an ancient demon challenged the devil over an item left behind in hell. The terms of the contest, any form could be used. The winner would claim the forgotten, stolen object, once owned by the master of hell. The contest begins. The devil says, "I am a dire wolf. I devour and destroy all in my path. There is no escape from me. Who are you?" The demon replies, "I am a hunter on horseback who slays the dire wolf with a spear." Then the devil says, "I am a microorganism. I consume the horse, the hunter, and his spear. I reduce all matter to dust. And you?" The demon answers, "I am energy. I bring life to all things." The devil replies, "I am dark matter. I devour energy and erase everything. I am the void." "I am a supernova," says the demon. Then the devil brings his final argument. "I am entropy. The end of a habitable universe. I consume stars, I consume supernovas." "What say you to that?" asks the Prince of Darkness. After a pause, the demon replies, "I am hope," and wins the contest. That's why this painting is not only about hope. It's about the part of us that overcomes. We are connected to nature, and we must feel this sense of connection. We are united. We are whole with the world around us. We are a part of the world, and the world is part of us. As long as we exist in this world, as long as that connection is alive, we have hope. And so the artist's brush, in an inexplicable way, implants hope into the canvas. With each stroke, it brings spring, renewal, cleansing from the old. This is the essence of this wondrous craft. The meaning lies in the act, not in the result. Don't search for meaning in what you produce, thinking it lies in the outcome. No. The meaning is in what you do. You create a painting, and you implant hope, spring, the woman, the cart. The meaning is in the doing. The viewer, observing the result of the artist's action, the brushstrokes, the embedded thoughts and energy, can feel it. When this painting is in your space, it illuminates that space with hope. And you will feel that breath of it. Trust me. We live in an age of reproduction, in the age of digital photography, in a time where neural networks generate images. But all this, modern exercise is around emptiness. An image by itself is just an image. It carries no emotional essence. It is painting, literature, music, and true cinema that breathe life into what is at the core of all living things. The inner, unfathomable world, what we call the soul. The world that will remain eternal. That will carry the sum of all experience, perhaps from one edge of the universe to the other. So engage in meaningful crafts. Don't place too much importance on technological progress. Yes, it's comfortable. But technology is neutral. That must be understood. Convenient solutions to quick problems are nice. But they might take away your time for self-realization. Time to form your true inner core in this journey called life. That's all for today. See you next time in more fascinating encounters.